Senkwane mu Gavana wa County ya Kisii Paul Simbarati kago chingero bwibwe timu ya Shabana FC ase ligi ya FKF Premier League kerari ngeta rotinse mo chiri chacha ina nagati akiranya nakoba kago singirira senkwana yaye na sasa bira batoteri timu ya Shabana FC kona kibuna veri kiria se chinchira cheke roche metanda uchie timu ya Shabana FC yemenyeka inde buna fund registration wetera SMRI HCM kona kibuna timu ya Shabana FC nakoba ke wisane ni vera gani ase ligi ya FKF Premier League se chinga kiecho aina kiribuna gatechi sponsor kiranyare ko bachigo cha timu ya Shabana FC mwana bali barache ko babakoruchi siringi chimilioni emerongevere ko cha timu ya Shabana FC ase entunda ya FKF Premier League rebosio na kibunese yunanyare ko bageko beku gatechi njira chogo sire timu ya Shabana.
I'm delighted to be associated with the Shabana FC for doing the Gusii community proud, having been crowned NSL champion for the 2022-2023 season. This is why I'm glad to grace this homecoming ceremony and join the team, fans, the soccer fraternity, and the community at large in celebrating the championship and evolution of our home team to the prosperous Kenya Premier League. We are today rolling out massive online fans registration exercise to help enhance fan base for Shabana FC, locally and internationally, so as to boost the avenues for supporting going forward. As the earlier promised, the sponsor had sourced for Shabana is ready to sign for sponsorship of 20 million Kenya shillings. As the team joined the KPL, it is my appeal for more sponsors and fans to come and support our team to succeed